Introducing Old Chicago Clay Thin Brick Veneers. Are you searching for a time-tested material to decorate your home or business with? Ready for a thin brick that was hand-cut and authentic? These brick veneers can be installed effortlessly as any brick tile on your wall. Chicago brick tiles are a lightweight alternative to the full-size bricks. These thin-cut brick veneers are wooing not only designers and architects, but DIY installers too. Whether it's for the entryway of your home or the fireplace in the living room or an interior of a restaurant, thin-sliced Old Chicago brick veneers are an excellent choice. These bricks were cut with high-powered wet saws from the same 100-plus-year-old Chicago bricks. These thin brick tiles are made from 100 to 130-year-old used bricks salvaged from the Chicago area. Old Chicago brick is a household name in the construction industry. Its weather-tested beauty and all-proven durability appeals to architects and homeowners alike. Our brick company specializes in cutting Old Chicago bricks for a number of different thin brick veneers. A wide selection of color mixes are available. You can even mix other colors from our concrete thin brick veneers. With our lightweight Chicago brick veneers, you can invigorate that dull wall in your living room and turn it into a focal point of your house. Our Miami-based brick company is able to offer exclusive custom blends of several Old Chicago brick products. We offer the regular size flat bricks and the L-shaped 1/2 inch thick corner pieces.
Don't overpay for your brick veneers. We have 30 colors to choose from, 5 different styles. Choose your own color mixes. Free shipping nationwide. Give us a call.